Hi guys, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడున్నానో తెలుసా? Los Angeles. And I'm going to go and visit my friend Sammy. 12 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత I'm visiting her. మన తెలుగు పిల్లే. Sammy, మన తెలుగు పిల్ల కానీ తెలుగు రాదు.
No, not a word.
ఒక్క వర్డ్ చెప్పా
A couple words.
ఓకే, ఒకటి నీకు తెలిసిన తెలుగు చెప్పా, ఏదైనా ఒకటి. ఎలా ఉన్నారు, నమస్కారం అండి. తెలుగు పిల్లలు కదా.
బాగుంది.
That's Davy guys.
Cameraman.
Hi.
Oh,
That's Chad. Davy is Samantha's Dharma.
Soul.
Okay, yeah.
Sam is going to give us a very quick tour of her house. Interested? Want to see? We're ready.
Okay.
అసలు వచ్చామో లేదో ముందు ఇల్లు చూడాలనుకుంటాం మనం కదా. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్స్ ఫస్ట్, రైట్ Sammy? What I'm saying is the first thing is you want to see the house.
Yeah.
Even before anything.
Yeah. And then you can see the backyard from here, which is the best part.
ఎక్కడ చూసినా these French windows.
We're almost getting to sunset, so it's the best time.
Wow. Oh my god, this is awesome. What a view! The mountains, ocean, trees.
And our eucalyptus grove. This is a fire pit.
Correct time కి వచ్చాం కదా మన Sammy ఇంటికి.
Yeah, no, this is
time, my favorite time.
it's the best time.
I'm going to be spending all my time here,
Yep.
outdoors. I'm going to meditate, do my breathing exercises, everything. Sammy,
And you have your fire to keep you warm.
oh my god, just check this out. How cool is this? Another seating area. That's the hot tub. Chad is happily sitting in the sun, enjoying. Sun బాగుందా నీకు? బాగుందా?
And it's all of Davy's grandmother's original furniture, with a couple of extra chairs that we bought, you know. Or like this furniture was hers. This was made in Michigan, Davy? Yeah.
Yes, Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Like in the 60s,
74.
70s.
It's such a classic piece.
Yeah.
I can tell. Oh my god, look at the view from the dining. Hey, what's this?
This is Chaddy's little bed.
Oh, how cute!
And his
is
favorite
this?
new toy elephant, you know, he's such a
Oh,
little...
ఎంత cute గా ఉందో చూడండి. So sweet. But I've seen there's another bed there.
There's
one
another
there.
and then there, yeah, but he's got a lot of beds. He's got the most beds in this house.
I love this. So what do you guys do? Like this is like an island kitchen?
Yeah, we call it the peninsula because it's not an island, but we use it to just put all of our items on it. Unfortunately, it's prettier than it's Brazilian, so we try not to put too much food on here.
And this is like your formal, just no David
Yeah, exactly. We just sit
ఇద్దరు
here.
ముగ్గురు.
Yeah, but that's like more if we have a party or more like a dinner party, we sit in the dining room.
Okay. ఒకటి చెప్పు, కుకింగ్ చేస్తావా లేదా?
Not that much. Not as much as I would like to.
She has a chef, okay? We'll catch her and learn all her healthy recipes.
Yep, that is our custom.
I hope you might get a partner up there.
This is so nice. Oh, okay. You take the bed. Please go. Okay.
Oh, are you playing with her? But yeah, so this way, yeah, we customed our bed and we customed this to fit the wall. So I picked
Is
out
this
all the
view
fabrics.
familiar? You haven't seen it yet, but we should
Um,
take you down to see this
This is from
view.
the beach, looking up, like, so this is
I want to see this view. We're
Yeah,
going there, right?
let's go there.
similar.
Wow. Similar.
Yeah.
Well, we can go there.
I won't know the difference, so don't worry.
Yeah, and all this was fully done, and we have a shower with a rain shower. I know, you'll have to try that out next. And my favorite part,
Okay. మిమ్మల్ని the favorite part అంటే ఏంటో చూపిస్తుంది. చూద్దాం.
so my
Look
favorite
at
part,
Look at Sammy's face.
yeah.
I don't think I need to bring any clothes. నేను అసలు అమెరికాకి వస్తే I don't need to bring
No,
any clothes.
and we found out you can fit into all of my things, so.
Why bother? ఆ లగేజ్ తీసుకొచ్చి
Well,
బట్టలు
look at all of
తెచ్చుకొని.
Davey's clothes. See, he's got a lot of clothes and a lot of shoes, and he's got bags too.
My God.
Well, he indulges all
Guys,
the.
when I come to America, నా సూట్ కేసు తెచ్చుకోవట్లేదు. All Sammy's clothes are there.
This is the other bedroom that we use as like an office Peloton room.
Lovely.
Yeah.
I love this whole multi-use.
Yeah.
You know? You have your desk, your
Workout and
workout.
then this is Chadwick's favorite spot. He's gonna show you. Chadwick, show her. It's right there.
Oh, look
He's-
at the view
And
again.
he sticks his head out and he watches the street, and then you can see the ocean over there too to your left.
Oh, wow.
So there's another view.
ఇదేంటి అసలుకి ఎక్కడ చూసినా వ్యూ ఈ ఇంట్లో ఎక్కడ ఎటువైపు చూసినా దర్ ఇస్ అ వ్యూ అండ్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే ఒక్కసారి సమాంత మోహన్ చూడండి సో దట్స్ దేవి అండ్ చాడ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్యూట్ లిటిల్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఓ సో క్యూట్ ఆసమ్ this is her kitchen. Hi Tiffany.
Hi.
So what's cooking today?
Oh, we have roasted squash with some lamb
Wow.
that's going to have a little merguez spice in it. I'm also making some falafel bowls for lunch and spicy red pepper tofu soup. So I do a lot of different cuisines every week.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
awesome. I can't wait for you to get started. Guys, we are going to be having a feast. Awesome. So these are all the vegetables that you picked up.
Yes.
Are those sun-dried tomatoes?
They're roasted peppers.
Oh. did them from scratch.
Yes.
And that's Chad. Oh, hi Chad.
This is the Peruvian lomo saltado, but I added extra veggies to go with the crispy garlic potatoes.
Oh
this
my
is
God.
some grain-free crispy nut butter coconut granola.
Okay.
So there's pecans, walnuts, and almonds, and toasted coconut, and then a spicy roasted pepper and tofu soup with eggs and spinach.
God, that looks so good. Tiffany, this granola looks so good. What did you do? How did you make these?
Yeah, so it's raw pecans, walnuts, and almonds.
Okay.
And coconut flakes.
Wow.
And I whisk a mixture of tahini with maple syrup and a little olive oil and salt and a mixture of cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit of clove, and sea salt. And you mix all of that together and coat the nuts.
Okay.
And then you toast it at 300 until it's done, about a half an hour, turning halfway through. And then it gets this nice and crispy clusters going on here.
Wow, so it's for half an hour. You put it in the oven for half an hour.
At 300 degrees.
Let's go and see that view. We'll go walk. Like you guys promised.
Exactly.
Oh,